When are you gonna stop all that nonsense and get yourself on the path to success?
What are you talking about?
All this stuff, where's it going?
I don't know.
You're old enough to get a job and start helping us. Your father's been out of work now for 2 months, and not once have you offered to help out. Even a part-time job, something to be part of this family instead of locking yourself up in this room, dabbling or doodling or whatever it is that you do.
Writing, Ma.
Writing. Writing doesn't pay the bills around here. Starting tomorrow, I want your ass hitting the boulevard and finding some sort of work. Get a job. You've lived stress-free for 16 years. I've had it.
I'll see if I can find something at the sandwich shop. Frida has a job there. Maybe she can get me something a couple days a week.
Good. That's reality, child. Living in your room.
I said I would get a job, all right? You don't have to go at me.
I will go at you anytime I desire.
I don't want to hear it. I'm in the middle of something, and I already told you I would go out tomorrow and find a job. What more do you want from my life?